Hi, in this video, I would like to show you where you can find your AMS Air template and the guide. So once you've logged into your account on your main dashboard, you have an option to upload. You also have an option to upload under your AMS Air eManifest history option as well. So click on this button here. And now you will see different options. So you can download the template, which will basically show you all your mandatory, optional, and conditional fields. And you can use this template and input your data. And what you can do is you can go ahead and save it and upload it to the system. You can also go ahead and you can download the guide. So the guide will have more information on each data field. So it will give you some examples, some contents and notes that you can use for your own reference. So as you can see here, you have some examples, some contents, you have some notes here as well. And then you will notice that you also have an option to AMS Air Upload Simplified option. So this template is basically mainly focused on the Section 321 e-commerce shipments. And then you will also have the same template here. So you can download the simplified version if you're dealing with Section 321 e-commerce shipments. That's all for this video. Hopefully you found it useful, and thanks very much for watching.